Tiko was so Poh helped search until they found the moon. The parrot's happy squawk filled the sky. Poh felt something moves. Lighter, warmer. You're right, Tiko. When you help others, your heart feels shiny, just like that bee. By sunset, the forest looked fresher, brighter, and more alive. Butterflies fluttered, birds sang, and Paw's cave smelled of sweet bamboo tea. The forest animals gathered. Hooray for Poh and Tiko! You cleaned the jungle and reminded us that kindness keeps our hearts clean too. Poh blushed. I thought I was too messy for a bunny, but with a friend, I found my strength. Tiko clapped Poh's paw. And I found the best adventure buddy in the jungle. And so, Poh Panda learned that a clean home, a cared-for forest, and a kind heart are all connected. When we keep our spaces tight and our hearts full of kindness, we make room for friendship, happiness, and adventure. From that day, Poh and Tiko went on many quests, not just to explore the jungle, but to care for it and for each other. Star of the story. True adventure begins when we care for our surroundings and our hearts. A clean home makes a clear mind, and a kind heart, strong friendships.